Well, hello everybody. I told you guys I was going to show you when I'm taking this stuff apart, so let me just get this thing situated so that way you can possibly see what I'm doing. As long as this thing doesn't fall. I don't know where exactly to put it. Now, I'll do it like this. Because I'm taking the carburetor off. The coil's already been taken off. The distributor's coming out. And it's already set to top dead center. So the radiator, the hoses, the return lines, they're all coming off. The intake manifold's coming off. Timing chain's coming off. And both heads are coming off. I don't have much time today, so I'm in the middle of between work and this. So I want to try and get this done. This carburetor is a real pain in the butt. The cigarette's even more of a pain in the butt. Both valve covers are already unscrewed. So I'm just trying to get this nut off of this stud here. One of them's missing, so hopefully I'll be able to fix that when I get the intake manifold off. That should be loose enough. You can't really put a socket back there because it's not big enough. Kind of hard doing it with one hand, but so be it. Let's see. There's the second one there. I got to remove the fuel line. The battery's already disassembled, taken off. All right, that's number 2. Now this one's going to be a real pain in the butt up front here. I don't know why, but it is. No, I can't move it. Maybe this way. Yeah, okay, that'll work. Well, maybe not. If you recall, when I rebuilt this carburetor, the choke and the linkage for the carburetor butterfly up top was not set right. In other words, I think they didn't know what they were doing because everything was screwed up. So now that we're going full throttle into the engine, I figured, well, that's why I went and got the sandblasting machine and the clean sink, so I can clean sink all this stuff. And hopefully this time it'll be better than last time. Yeah, this stud is not right either. I can't believe this ain't coming off. Come on. I don't want to sit here all day. I don't have all day. I got less than an hour to get some crap done, and I want to get it at least some leeway done on this, so I can't get in there. Okay. Anyway, it's got new wires. It has a new set of points in it. I got 4 plugs in. I'm glad I didn't put them all in. And I didn't use the new oil canister cartridge because there's something wrong with this stud. It's loose. I'm wondering if I can get this out of here just by doing that. How you doing? Oh yeah, that's not a good thing, but it's out. Okay. All right, now let's see. lost the flathead underneath the car, so I'm going to take this off with a pair of pliers for now, if I can. Nope. Okay. Then we'll do it this way. Let's see if I can't put this somewhere. I want to put this down somewhere so I can actually show you guys. Now, I guess that'll work.